One thing that a lot of my academic students worry about when they go to international conferences or have international conferences online is after giving a presentation and doing a Q&A session, when you're socializing with other academics, being able to join the conversation and feel part of that conversation. So the very important thing, I think, is that you have to make we. You have to be part of that group. You might be a Japanese psychologist or a Japanese engineer, but in that group, you're a psychologist amongst other psychologists or an engineer amongst other engineers. You're in that group. You're part of that group. If you feel part of the group, then it's easier to communicate. But there's an expression that a lot of Japanese academics use. Not just academics, lots of Japanese people who use English and they talk about people in Japan will use the expression, we Japanese. Automatically, if you use this expression, you build a wall between you and the other people. Of course, if you're talking with a group of Japanese people, that's fine, because everyone's in the same group. But if it's an international group, or even if you're talking to one other person and they're not Japanese, as soon as you say, we Japanese, you've made two groups. There's no longer that connection. I'm not sure why this expression is used so often by Japanese people who speak English. It is a natural expression. It doesn't sound natural in American or Australian English, I don't think. But it sounds a little bit like colonial British English. It's a little bit arrogant. And it doesn't make friends. It divides people. So I recommend, if you're going to talk about the Japanese situation, you could say, for Japanese people, or in the case of Japanese people. So there, you're in both groups. You're in the group of Japanese people, but you're still in the psychologist group or engineers group, whatever situation that you're in. Here, you're not going to break the situation. You're not going to build a wall between you and the other people. But if you say, we Japanese, you could cause a problem in the conversation that you didn't expect. もしこのビデオが気に入ったらいいねをお願いします。Thank you for watching. See you next time.